looking at those hiccups. Who's got the hiccups? He's so handsome. Got my handsome boy. Yeah. Oh, I heard that. Oh no.
We need to get a picture close up of him doing this.
Uh-huh.
From